Welcome to my project. Had to build some stairs off the concrete patio there. So here it is. I've used treated pine, 45 by 90, just your standard framing pine really. And what I've done is all these frames were built as separate pieces up there on the concrete padding. Yeah, basically I just cut out all the spaces and made sure they were the right length. Used my drop saw for that. And each frame was made and put together on its own, and then yeah, I fixed it to each post as I went down each step with some clamps, made sure it was all level, dug the holes, and then put in the posts ready for the next step. Just cut that little piece down there so it fits on the concrete level, and just put some Dynabolt clamps, as you can see there. So each block here, separator, is I think 450 millimeters. The steps themselves are about 300. They just hold to, I think, 120 thick Merbau steps, so just like this. A bit hard with one hand, but anyway, hopefully you get the picture. So there it is there. So two boards on one step. I think they're about 120 each, plus the gap. So they're situated like that. I've screwed it all in, made sure it was pretty secure. I didn't want to use nails because they eventually pull out in the heat. So it's all been screwed in. I kind of sunk at the front to allow the base plate to sit on it. I've Dynabolted up the top there to the concrete. That was so bloody hard to drill. Went through a couple of masonry drill bits. I'll just take you around the side here so you get the whole view. So it's fairly well built. Always go that extra mile when I build stuff myself. Do it properly once. The holes were a good 600 mil deep, maybe a little bit less, but a couple of bags of ready mixed concrete went into each hole, so they're quite secure. So yeah, big job, took me a while, one-man job. So thanks for watching. I haven't seen much on YouTube in the ways of building stairs, so I thought, well, we can maybe get some ideas from my steps and just how it's all constructed.